If you run a local business or nonprofit today, you're probably like most, and you're confused by all the marketing options out there. You don't have a good sense of how to use what's available, and you don't have time to figure it out. Our local marketing workshop won't turn you into the next marketing superstar, expert, or ninja. But what it will do is make you effective. It starts with our Marketing 3-4-5 framework that teaches you how to make better marketing decisions and weigh your options in a way that helps you put your business first. And we'll show you how content dominates the internet and secrets that smart marketers use to quickly and easily create content, because we know as a business owner, you don't have a lot of time to turn off the outside world and do marketing. So we teach you how to fit it into those downtimes when you're in your shop or between clients and you have 5, 10, 15 minutes to do something meaningful. We help you create a plan to use some of those times to move your business forward. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be time consuming, and it doesn't have to be expensive, but it does need to be done, and you can do it. We'll show you how.